So we got an awesome opportunity to work on a branded environment recently, and trade shows are one of my favorite things to do. I actually started out in my career doing some trade show work, and so this one was really fun. It's for the American Board of Pediatrics, and when they came to us, they basically were showing up at shows with a tablecloth with a black and white seal of the organization on the front of it, sitting behind a table with, some collateral materials on the table. And they wanted to change that up a bit. We had done some great work for them, incorporating some new colors, and starting to really define some new elements for their brand. And so we got the opportunity to create an amazing trade show space. The first trade show they went to, I got a text message that said, "Hey, we're here at the show and we're right next to a pharmaceutical company, and we looked so amazing." And they were so proud of their booth and all of the materials we had done to create engagement in the booth. They shot me a picture, and it is a beautiful design. I'm so proud of the Hummingbird team for really flowing a concept of stepping up for the American Board of Pediatrics into their trade show booth.